At 40 can go with gear 4 with some pickup still. Nice.
Fourth gear, 40 on the speedo.
Yep.
And still got a lot of pickup.
35.
35 now.
Yep.
35 on fourth gear. Okay, we just finished one REBOOZ service with Cik Fadzil on this 97 Land Cruiser Prado. What is the series?
Series 95.
This is a Series 95.
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna go for a quick test drive. Let's check out on the performance.
Wow, much better.
Okay, especially going out from the junction kan. Normally some cars hesitate sikit.
Much cleaner and powerful. On gear 4 right now.
So gear 4 you can still drive
Regular traffic. And now it's on gear 3.
Yeah, gear 3.
Gear 2.
Usually gear 2 kalau ada speed macam tadi. Okay, to the right. There's another.
Right?
Right?
Okay. Yeah, usually at the junction like this, it'll be gear 2.
Normally gear 2
Gear 2. Now 3 with some pickup as well.
Yeah.
That's quite a significant improvement.
Yeah.
Let's chase this now.
Chase this one. This is the Jeep.
What is that? Wrangler?
Wrangler.
Still on gear 3.
Okay, and then after this you keep to your left. We're going uphill after this.
At 40 can go with gear 4 with some pickup still. Nice.
Fourth gear, 40 on the speedo.
Yep.
And still got a lot of pickup.
35.
35 now.
Yep.
35 on fourth gear. Okay, now we're going to do a serious test uphill. Okay, so we're going uphill. See what is the top
Gear 3.
on gear 3.
Yeah, significant. Usually I have to change down to gear 2.
Yeah. Oh, very smooth.
Yeah, very smooth. Fifth gear, 50, 70.
Yeah.
With some pickup.
Some
pickup. Yeah. Now it's yeah, that's now 55.
Yeah.
Fifth gear. Two, 3.
Yeah. Yeah, uphill again.
3. Nice. Can go up to what? 90. On gear 3. Big improvement.
Big improvement
Yes.
Ini belum lagi supercell.
Something to try out.
Something to try.
Gear 2 just now went up to 55.
Dulu?
Oh. Not much pickup first time. What?
Dulu berapa you punya idle speed?
Dulu 1.1 something like that.
Now?
1.5.
No,
now it's even lower.
Yeah.
Now it's about 750. Big difference, huh?
Big difference.
Difference.
Okay, your final thought, Encik Fadzil, after REBOOZ.
Highly satisfied.
Highly satisfied, huh?
Satisfied. Big improvements,
Okay.
and I think these significant improvements. I was skeptical earlier,
Okay.
but now proven.
Proven, eh?
Yeah, proven. Back to day one.
Okay. Thank you so much, and we are looking forward to your LC.
Yes.
LC or LG?
LC2
LC2
93.
93. Okay.
Kalau Azri tahu ni, kepala gila-gila tadi. Now, low gear is in. That's very high torque. Alright.